सो हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज भवानी। समस्त को आम चैनल साइ स्टडी क्लासेस को स्वागत। आज तुम मान को पई वेरी इंपोर्टेंट टॉपिक जनरल अवेयरनेस रो किछि इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन तुम मान को पई नै कि आछे एवं सेतरा हमें आलोचना करिवा कोन कोन सब नुवा नुवा इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चंस होछि। ठीक अछि, तो जो माने को हम क्लास भल लागुछि बा हम क्लास रे एफर्ट टिके भल लागुछि बा हम क्लास रो कंटेंट हम क्लास रो क्वेश्चन जो मान को भल लागुछि, निश्चित मात्रा रे वीडियो को गोटे लाइक मात्र 2 सेकंड लगिवो। सब्सक्राइब करिया पई मात्र 2 सेकंड टू 3 सेकंड। ओके, पाखरे थिबा बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन को ऑन कर दियंतु जा फले हमर एवरी न्यू वीडियो रो नोटिफिकेशन आपन मान को मिलि जिवो। एवं निश्चित मात्रा सब्सक्राइब शेयर एवं लाइक करंतु जा फले हमको मोटिवेशन मिलियो हम एवरी नुवा नुवा वीडियो आपन मान पई माने कोन ना तयारी करिवो। ता सहित छुआ एटा हमर टेलीग्राम हैंडल, एतरे तुम माने हमर जॉइन हे परियो। ता सहित एटा इला यूट्यूब हैंडल, एटा तुम माने एला कोन जाय कि स्कैन करी डायरेक्टली यूट्यूब को विजिट करि परियो। ओके, तो ता सहित हमें देखियो छ इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन कोन कोन रही छी आजिरो। तो देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन कौन अच्छी, फॉर प्रोवाइडिंग फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टू लर्नर्स ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी फॉलो चॉइस बेस्ड कौन हबो ना मार्क सिस्टम्स, ग्रेड सिस्टम, क्रेडिट सिस्टम एंड परसेंटेज सिस्टम। प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन पाई 5 रु 10 सेकंड भितर हमें समय दबा, तो निश्चित मात्रा रे समस्त ट्राई करंतु जे आंसर दबा पाई। ओके, व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? For providing the flexibility to learners open university following choice based mark system, grade system, credit system and percentage system. The answer hela chua credit system. Okay, answer credit system. Children have an extremely flexible capacity to learn multiple languages between the age of 3 to 7, 5 to 9, 2 to 8 and 4 to 10. कोटा हबो छ यार राइट आंसर। Children have an extremely flexible capacity to learn multiple languages between the age of ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर। 2 to 8 एज मध्य निश्चित मात्रा सीखि परिबे। Which of the following school were primarily established for the word of the periodically transferred? केंद्र विद्यालय, कस्तूरबा गांधी विद्यालय, Cambridge School and the Central Tibetan School. Which of the following school was primarily established for the word of the periodically transferred? कोटा बचवा, which one is the correct answer? तो देखो छुआ एटा हला केंद्रीय विद्यालय इज द राइट आंसर। इट इज ट्रांसफर द periodically कोन ना it periodically transferred. Okay, which of the following commissions recommended a 4-year training course after the senior secondary and preferably a 5-year course leading to the graduation and training for the school teachers? National Commission on Teachers, Secondary Education Commission, National Policy Statement on Education, Indian Association of Teacher Education by Educators. Which one is the correct answer? कोउटा एथि मध्यरु सही उत्तर हबो। Which of the following commission recommended a 4-year training course after senior secondary or preferably a 5-year course leading to the graduation and training for school teachers? कोउटा हबो? National Commission on Teachers, Secondary Education Commission, National Policy Statement on Education and Indian Association of Teacher Educators. The answer of option A, National Commissions on Education. The National Commission on Teacher 1 by 1983 to 85 suggested that the term practice teaching should be replaced with the term internship, apprenticeship, school training and practice training. Which one is the correct answer? The National Commission on Teacher 1 or 1983 to 85 suggested that the term practice teaching should be replaced with the term internship, apprenticeship, school training and practice training. Option A, internship. Okay, internship is the right answer. Next, the Central Institute of English situated at Delhi, Srinagar, Mysore, Hyderabad. The Central Institute of English situated at Delhi, Srinagar, Mysore, Hyderabad. सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश सिचुएटेड एट दिल्ली. ओके, दिल्ली रे अवस्थित. सॉरी 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 सॉरी, ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ. ଓକେ ଓକେ, ସରି ସରି, ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଭୁଲିଥିଲି. ମୋ ମାନେ ଆମର ଜଣେ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡ ଜଣେ ବି ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ ଅଫ ଇଂଲିଶ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦରେ ଏକ୍ସାମ ଦେଇଥିଲେ. ବହୁତ ହି ଟଫେଷ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସାମ ହୁଏ. ମାନେ ବାହାରୁ ବି ପିଲା ହେଲା, ଅଲ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆରୁ ପିଲା ହେଲା ଏକ୍ସାମ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଆସନ୍ତି. ଅଲ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆ ତା ସହିତ ମାନେ ଆମର ଯୋଉ ସାଉଦର୍ନ ଏସିଆ, ନର୍ଦର୍ନ ଏସିଆ, ଓକେ, ବାହାରୁ ବି ପିଲା, ବାହାର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିର ପିଲା ଏଠିକି ଏକ୍ସାମ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଆସନ୍ତି. ମାତ୍ର 49 ନା 50 ସିଟ୍ ହେଲା ଟୋଟାଲି. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ବର୍ଷ 49 ନା 50 ସିଟ୍ ବାହାରେ ଦ ସେଣ୍ଟ୍ରାଲ ଇନଷ୍ଟିଚ୍ୟୁଟ ଅଫ ଇଂଲିଶ ରେ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦରେ. ଓକେ, ମୁଁ ସରି ଫର ଦ୍ୟାଟ. ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ ହବନି, ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ହବ, ମୁଁ ଜାଣିଛି. ତ ସେଠି ହେଲା କଣ ନା, ବାହାରୁ ପୁରା ବାହାର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିରୁ ଏତେ ଟଫେଷ୍ଟ ଏକ୍ସାମ ହୁଏ, ବାହାର କଣ୍ଟ୍ରିରୁ ଆସନ୍ତି, ଇଣ୍ଟରଭ୍ୟୁ ହୁଏ, ଦେନ୍ ସେଠି ଇଂଲିଶ ମାନେ ସେମାନେ ତ ମାନେ ମାନେ ଯିଏ ବି ଚାହିଁବ ସେଠି ପଢିପାରିବ. ଠିକ ଅଛି, ବହୁତ ମାନେ ଭଲ ଲେଭେଲର ଏକ୍ସାମ ହୁଏ, ଭଲ ଲେଭେଲର ବି କଲେଜଟା. पढ़े भारत बढ़े भारत. ओके, पढ़े भारत बढ़े भारत launched in 2014 is a sub-program of which of the following major scheme in India? जन शिक्षण संस्थान, सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, राष्ट्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा अभियान एंड साक्षर भारत अभियान. साक्षर भारत अभियान कोटा बच्चा. पढ़े भारत बढ़े भारत launch 2014 is a sub program of which of the following major scheme in India? सर्व शिक्षा अभियान एटा कराइतिला. ठीक अछि. Who formed inaugurated the University Grant Commission in 1953? The Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sri Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sri Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed, Sri तापरे डॉक्टर मुरली मनोहर जोशी, श्रीमती स्मृति ईरानी. Which one is the correct answer? मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आजाद हबो. ठीक अछि, मौलाना अब्दुल कलाम आजाद हबो इज द राइट आंसर. से फॉर्मली हला कोन फर्स्ट एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर थिले हम इंडिया रो. ता सहित से कोन एस्टैब्लिश करथिले यूनिवर्सिटी ग्रांट कमिशन टू 1953 रे एस्टैब्लिश. बट एटा राधा कृष्णन आनिथिले, बट ताको एस्टैब्लिश करथिले बा ताको इनागुरेट करथिले. ओके, यूजीसी टू इनागुरेट करथिले. यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमिशन के आनथिले राधाकृष्णन. यूनिवर्सिटी एजुकेशन कमिशन राधाकृष्णन. यूजीसी को हला किए ना मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद केते 1953 एटा 1948. ठीक अछि, मन रखिबो एडा. Member of University Grant Commission include chairman, vice chairman, vice president, education minister and vice president, prime minister and vice president. Which one is the correct answer? Chairman and vice chairman. Okay. Which strategy has been a great success in India and around the world is developing public speaking and listening skills and promoting communication and interaction among the children early on? Do and tell, work and tell, show and tell, and write and tell. Which one is the correct answer? Which strategy has been a great success in India and around the world is developing public speaking and listening skills and promoting communication and interaction among the children early on? Do and tell, work and tell, show and tell, and write and tell. Which one is the correct answer? शो एंड टेल. ओके, शो एंड टेल ये जो कम्युनिकेशन माने पैरामीटर्स को ସେମାନେ डेवलप करथिले. ठीक है जी. नॉइज एंड और नॉइज पॉपुलेशन मेजर्ड इन कोथरे मापा जाए? डेसिबल, फॉन, डेसी, डेसिमल. कौन हो बच्चा? डेसिबल, इजी आंसर. Which layer protect earth from harmful rays on the sun? एडा वाला ओजोन लेयर हो ना नहीं? ओजोन लेयर राइट आंसर होबनी. ओजोन लेयर. आइनोस्फीयर होबनी, ट्रोपोस्फीयर होबनी, मैग्नोस्फीयर होबनी, ओजोन स्फीयर. Which is the absolute temperature scale? Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin, all of these. Kelvin. Absolute temperature scale हला कि Kelvin. देखो, absolute temperature is used application of the ideal gas law and many other laws of the thermodynamics. A scale for the absolute temperature with the degree unit the same as on Celsius scale is known as the Kelvin scale. The absolute temperature scale using Fahrenheit, degree units. Units is the Rankine scale. Rankine. What are the metal bearing rock called? What are the metal bearing rock called? Bitumen, bauxite, metalloid, or the metal bearing rock called or. ठीक है जी. Ore is a metal bearing rock that can be mined, transported, and proceeded and sold at a profit, although the broader definition included non-metallic rock like rock, salt, and gypsum. Most geologists classify these materials as the industrial rock and minerals. The percentage of oxygen present in air, এটা তো बहुत easy question, ମୁଁ ଆଉ କହିବି କି ଏଟା ତ କହିବା ପାଇଁ ପଡିବନି. The term Veda is derived from the Sanskrit word "vid" that literally means knowledge, strength, meditation, and preparation. କୋଉଟା ହବ ଛୁଆ? ଏଟା ତ genuine କଥା. Veda means with ହେଲା କୋଉଠି knowledge ରୁ ଜ୍ଞାନରୁ ଆସିଛି. Okay, the term Veda is derived from the Sanskrit word "vid", which literally means knowledge. The Vedas are considered the oldest scared texts in the Hinduism and are reversed as a source of divine knowledge. Painted poetry is most distinguishing feature of which of the following prehistoric period? Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, and Iron Age. Which one is the correct answer? Option C is the right answer. Chalcolithic. The most distinguishing feature, chara. The most famous ruler of Vijayanagar, Krishnadev Rajya belonged to which dynasty? Saluva dynasty or Vindu dynasty, Sangama dynasty, and Taluva dynasty. Which one is the correct answer? D. Taluva dynasty. Okay, Taluva dynasty. The most famous ruler Vijayanagar, Krishnadev Raya, belonged to the Taluva dynasty. Krishnadev Raya ruled the Vijayanagar emperor from the 1509 to 1529. He considered one of the greatest kings of the Vijayanagar emperor, and his reign is often referred to as the golden age of the emperor. Okay, Vijayanagar. Which of the following is the ancient name of Odisha? Kalinga. Who wrote Ramayana and the ancient Indian epic poems which narrate the life of the divine prince Ram? Tulsidas, Vedvyas, Ramdas, and Valmiki. Valmiki. Okay, Valmiki is the right answer. The ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity is our preamble have been taken from the glorious revolution, glorious revolution, French Revolution, Russian Revolution, and American Revolution. The ideas of liberty, equality, and fraternity is our preamble has been taken from glorious revolution, French Revolution, Russian Revolution, and American Revolution. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, liberty, equality, and fraternity एटा ହେଲା French Revolution ରୁ ଆସିଛି. देखो, the ideal of the liberty, equality, and fraternity in the preamble are taken from the French Revolution. These ideas were first articulated during the French Revolution, which took place from 1789 to 99. Who among the following quoted preamble as the political horoscope? Nani A. Pallakavilla, Pallakivela, K. M. Munshi, Jawaharlal Nehru, and Thakur Das Bhargava. K. M. Munshi. Okay, preamble is the political horoscope. K. M. Munshi. K. M. Munshi, who referred the preamble as the political horoscope, Kanhaiya Lal Manikyal Munshi, commonly known as K.M. Munshi, was an Indian independence activist, politician and writer, and drafting committee member. Treasury bills are money market instruments issued by which among the following India? Credit rating agency, central government, corporate, and scheduled commercial bank. B is the right answer. Central government. Okay, central government is the right answer. How many seats in the parliament are reserved for the scheduled caste as per the delimitation of the Parliamentary and Assembly Constituency Order 2008? 85, 86, 84, and 80 is the right answer. 84. Okay. Provision as to the judge of Supreme Court and of the High Court is mentioned in which schedule of the Indian? First schedule, third schedule, second schedule, and fourth schedule. At the second schedule, Rich. Second schedule. Okay. The provision as the judge of Supreme Court and the High Court in the India, as mentioned in the second schedule of the Indian Constitution, the second schedule provides the details regarding the emolument or the salaries of the judge of Supreme Court and the High Court, as well as the allowances, privileges, and other condition of the service. तो ये ଥିଲା ଛୁଆ ତୁମ ଟପ୍ 25 क्वेश्चंस एंड जो मानक भी छुआ हम क्वेश्चन जदि भल लागि निश्चित मात्रा रे लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करिवो एवं फॉलो करिवो लाइक करिवो हमको टर्न ऑन द बेल नोटिफिकेशन आइकन हमर एवरी न्यू वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन संगे संगे आपण माने पाई परिए तो जो मानक हरी किसी डिटेल्स दरकार बा जो मानक एग्जाम रिलेटेड क्वेरी 78940072 मोटिवेशन एवरीथिंग सब पई हमें अवेलेबल अछि ठीक अछि तो बस तुम माने पढ़ो प्रिपेयर हो. Take care. Jai Jagannath. See you again in the next class. Till that, bye bye.